Čau! Mēs spēlēsim Vice City. Kā es teicu, mēs spēlēsim GTA Vice City otru epizodi. Es lidošu uz tā mājām, uz to, un dabūšu helikopteru. Tā kā. Nedabūšu šis taksīts. Es varētu šitā te. Kā šitā. Skats. Taksis prot paliek. Brauc.
Sports team, then they get massacred. You believe in gravity, then it turns upside down on you. You love your favorite TV show, then the network ends it with a lousy finale. But you can believe in me, and if you believe in something, support it. It's one thing to love something, but if you don't shower it with money, then just don't talk to me. Communism, don't make me puke my guts out, please.
Well, I myself love casseroles on things.
Aw. Yay.
I just love Pilgrim World, especially the part where you get to slaughter your own buffalo and take home the meat, or give the locals the flu while buying their land over for pittance. That's what children need.
What is?
Wholesome activities that benefit the family. Now, what good is it if a kid plays Degeneratron for 5 hours? Oh, sure, he's killing space aliens, thank you very much, but it ain't putting food on the table. And he's learning bad language, like... When my family goes out to dinner, we're starting from scratch, even if Daddy is working late again.
Is it nedir?
We build our own spears, smear ourselves in dung, and then
It's not
wait
because
in the swamp for something to come by.
In the suburbs? I bet your neighbors love you. How long do you wait? Don't you get arrested?
Hey, mister, I'm married. Look at the finger. It has a ring. I've got children, for Pete's sake. Stop eyeing me up.
Skats.
See you undressing me with your eyes. Well, I tell you, I was a cheerleader and nearly a prom queen. And I could have married anyone, but I chose John. I chose him because he had a kind face and a rich dad. I didn't know he was going to cheat on me.
Paldies, ka skatījāties. Un uz redzēšanas es nofilmēju šito triku. Es vienkārši nevarēju to izdarīt un to filmiņu. Tā kā paldies, ka šito arī varēju paskatīties. Jūs varēsiet redzēt man šito to triku, ko es krūtu tikko izdarīju. Labi, paldies, ka skatījāties un uz redzēšanos. Nekādās epizodēs netiksim. Tā.